Is Trump backing off the Iran war? Or is this a temporary setup for the United States? Because right now, one of America's most powerful war machines is stepping back. The nuclear powered aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford is pulling out of the Red Sea battle zone and heading to Crete, an island in Greece, not after a victory, but after a fire on board. Let's break it down. The USS Ford, the most expensive warship ever built, was leading US operations in the Red Sea against Iran. Now it carries over 4,000 personnel, dozens of fighter jets like Super Hornets, and serves as a floating military base. But now it's damaged. A fire broke out in its laundry section, spread through ventilation systems. It took hours, even reportedly over a day, to fully contain. At least 2 sailors were injured, hundreds lost access to their living quarters. And now, the big question: was this an accident or sabotage? Well, the US Navy is investigating. Officials are probing whether the fire was deliberately set, and that opens up a much bigger issue. Are cracks beginning to show within the US military during this war? Because this deployment has already been unusually long. The USS Ford has been at sea for nearly 9 months, way beyond its standard 6 month tour. Reports suggest sailors missing family funerals, morale dropping sharply, technical issues on board, including repeated system failures. Some crew members were even considering quitting. And this is happening during a war. The US is deeply involved in the Iran conflict alongside Israel. We've already seen US bases targeted by Iranian missiles and drones, over 100 American troops reportedly injured in early phases, rising risk of wider regional escalation, and now a frontline aircraft carrier is stepping back. But here's the key question: is this a strategic withdrawal or a sign of strain? The Pentagon insists that operations will continue. Other warships remain deployed in the region. Airstrikes and surveillance missions are still active. But losing, even temporarily, a carrier like the USS Gerald Ford is significant. Because aircraft carriers are not just weapons, they are symbols of American power projection. And then there's the politics. Donald Trump has ramped up pressure on Iran, ordered aggressive military deployments, and backed Israel strongly. But now, with rising costs, troop injuries, and internal strain, is Washington recalibrating? This is not a full retreat, and it's not business as usual either. A damaged warship, an exhausted crew, and a war that's getting more complicated by the day. So the big question remains: is the US stepping back or just pausing before the next move? Because in this conflict, every signal matters.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.